Gonna get you. Here we go. We're gonna get the Athena. I'm gonna get you. Gonna get that paw. Gonna get you. Oh, gotta run. Oh. Get that paw. Get that paw. I'm gonna get that paw. Yes, I am. I'm gonna get that paw. But I'm gonna come around here, Bean. Here I come. I'm coming for that paw. Get that paw. Woof. You good girls. Oh, yeah. That's a good girl. That's a good beanie. That's a good girl. Yeah. See your beautiful face. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Oh, get them happy butts. We get them happy butt, and I'm not gonna go for your paw. Good girls. Oh, good girl. Yeah. That's the good girl. I'm gonna get that ear. Yeah, I'll scratch that ear. Yeah, get them. Oh. Yeah. Hold on. Hey, no, come here. Good girl. Oh, belly wubs. Belly wubs. We're gonna get that tickle? You're gonna give me that tickle today? I want the tickles. I want the tickles. Where's some tickles? Oh, baby girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Look at that happy mutt. Oh, yeah, good girl. Oh, her got the tongue hanging out. Oh, look at that happy mutt. Give her long belly strokes. Yeah. Oh, her not spoiled at all, is her? Oh, see, get close. Oh. She heard a noise. That was just a trailer, sweetheart. Now hers all dirty. Now hers all dirty. Brush her all off. Yeah. Oh. What? 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 Hey, Nanook. Hi, boy. Are you gonna be jealous, child? Because Athena's getting all the attention. You're finally being on camera. You want some attention? Oh, well. Jump in my lap, why don't you? I don't have a tripod, dude, so I can't see what I'm filming. Hi, monkey.